Hey guys, it's me, Eirelyn. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing today, but I'm in my kitchen for a new series called Cooking with the Bird. I hope you guys enjoyed that intro I made. It was very fun to make, I guess, but for episode 1, it's a series, it's a thing. We are making buttered steak, which is where you cook steak in butter inside of this pan, you know? Yeah, but I'm a little jumpy because yesterday I just did my drama exam in front of many people. I don't remember if I said I had to do that on my vlog channel or not, but I have a vlog channel, so subscribe. The link is in the description. Ooh, snazzy plug. I'm sorry, but I'll insert a clip here. Editing work, I don't know what I'm saying, but yeah, we're gonna cook now. Also, my lips are very chapped, so they might be red, and also I'm kind of sick. Well, I'm getting over a cold. Also, it's snowing out. I need to stop saying also. Let's cook. Let's re-angle the camera first. You couldn't see my foot, but I flicked it up. Can you see my foot? Angles. This is the pan. You cannot see the steak, but it's right here. So we are going to take butter, a stick of butter preferably, and open it, I guess. This is just, I don't think I really described this series well. I'm basically just going to be trying to cook different things and seeing how it turns out. I cannot speak today. What is my eyebrow doing? Yes, so the knife, the butter. Wow. Oh gosh. So you put the butter in the pan like so. I need to lean down. I actually want to show you guys the cooking, so, you know, skills. I've cooked this once. Not really. I put the steak in the pan, but then I left and let my mom do the rest. So, you know, that's fun. Also, if you can hear the TV in the background, I'm sorry, it's really loud and I feel awkward filming in my house with my family. Yeah, okay. I need to turn on the oven. I'll be right back. I need to go ask a cooking question to my family members. How high do I butter? How high do I figured it out. It has to be melting and sizzling. I should probably grab this. Okay, that might be a little too high. Melt, sizzle. Oh, there we go. Ah, I don't know what I'm doing. Melt. Sizzle. It's so sizzly. I don't cook often, if you can't tell. I don't know what to do. Is it gonna evaporate? I don't know what I'm doing. Do I put it in?
You need more butter.
I do? Okay. I need more butter.
And then you can put some of your garlic butter in.
Okay. I'm inexperienced. This is garlic butter. Okay, thanks for the help. So this is garlic butter. Put that in. Okay. And now we're gonna place the steak in. How do I steak? I flipped the steak a couple times because you have to cook it on all sides. I also feel like I'm talking louder now so you can hear me over the sizzling. So from what I do know when cooking this, I don't know a lot of things about cooking. You want to add more butter to it. I need to remember to get in frame so it cooks. Christ. I don't know what I'm doing. It smells good though. I wish you could smell it. You do want to keep putting the melted, I was about to say the dry butter, the melted butter onto the steak so it like cooks, I guess, and gets all the flavor going. I'm not a chef, why am I trying to be one? It's cooking. We are, well, me, I need to step away from the camera a bit. I'm going to add some spices now. Spice some things up is, I should have said, Latin seasoning. I guess. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, I'm going to add some more garlic butter. I don't know how long I'm supposed to cook this for. Wait, no, I'm going to take... I was attacked! Be careful, it splashed me in the corner of my eye. Don't know if I'm okay. I think I'm okay. That really hurt. Don't want to get attacked again. I have to hold it. Ah! I think I'm okay. Other than that oil splashed up and attacked my eyeball, I'm fine.
Are you okay?
Yeah. So we're back, and we're gonna put this dirty pan that had the steak on it into the sink and be hygienic people. Okay. So, I need to add the rest of the butter into the thing. We cut open, well, I had my mom come. So, we cut open the one meatier steak, I guess, and to see if it was cooked. It's not. So, we're gonna add the rest of the butter. And now we wait. I'm gonna have to cut out so many scenes where I'm just silently trying to cook. We're gonna pick up, that is hot! We're gonna pick up some of this and pour it on the butter so it maybe hopefully melts faster. Also, we think we burned the side of my eye here. Like, can you see it? Yeah. Also, I look really tired because my mascara is smudging. It's fine. I don't know if I flip it again. I'm going to. We want the flavor. So the steak is done. One is to the way I like it, one is to where the rest of my family normally likes it. So I'm going to put them on this and bring them over here to chop them up and eat. Okay, this camera is much lower now, but here are the steaks, and we are going to cut them. This one, oh, that's a lot of butter. So we're gonna cut this one fully. And I like mine more pink, so this one I can do. Then there's this one, which is completely good. Ta-da! Can you even see that? I'll probably end up doing that. I don't know. But I'm gonna have a piece to eat. That's a pretty big piece. I'm gonna eat it anyway. That's good. The steak is good. It's really good. I'm going to have my mom now try it. Mom! I'm still filming, Grandpa.
Good job. Well done.
Yay!
Tastes very good.
Yay! So, I think I succeeded at the first cooking with the bird. If you want me to cook, or well, try to cook anything specific, comment down below. And if you want me to try and cook it with any of my friends, comment that down below, because I will invite people over and be like, cook with me. I will force you to cook with me. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you are new to my channel, subscribe. I make videos every other Friday, and I will see you guys, not next Friday, but the Friday after that. I'm Eirelyn, and I will see you guys then. I literally am just re-saying the same thing I said over again. But yeah, I hope you liked the video. I'm gonna stop talking so you guys can go watch other videos. Bye.